Stop using boring phrases and start speaking English like a pro. In this video, I'll teach you how to replace basic phrases with natural expressions that'll make you sound just like a native speaker. Let's get started. Instead of saying, "I'm scared," say, "I'm freaked out."
I freaked out, okay? You just kind of freaked out. You freaked out?
What?
You're not freaked out.
I'm freaked out.
Instead of saying, "I'm happy," say, "I'm over the moon."
Henry is over the moon.
Will is over the moon.
He'll be over the moon.
I'm over the moon. Bye-bye.
Instead of saying, "I'm angry," say, "I'm pissed off."
I'm pissed off.
Now I'm pissed off.
I'm pissed off. I am really pissed off.
I'm pissed off because the Rangers just lost to the Boston Bruins.
Instead of saying, "I'm sad," say, "I'm feeling blue."
I feel blue.
I'm feeling blue.
I feel blue.
Having trouble getting over it. That's why I'm feeling so blue.
You're the boy who makes me smile.
Instead of saying, "I'm confused," say, "I'm lost."
I'm lost.
I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost.
Instead of saying, "It's expensive," say, "It costs an arm and a leg."
Yeah, it's gonna cost an arm and a leg. You take
Air conditioners cost an arm and a leg.
It's cost me an arm and a fucking leg.
And it won't cost you an arm and a leg.
Instead of saying, "It's very cheap," say, "It's a steal."
It's a good price. It's a steal. At $20,000, it's a steal. It's a steal at this price.
It's a steal at twice the price.
Instead of saying, "I don't care," say, "I couldn't care less."
I couldn't care less.
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 Instead of saying, "I'm nervous," say, "I've got cold feet."
And this is why I got cold feet.
You got cold feet.
I think you got cold feet.
I got cold feet.
I got cold feet, so I used you as an excuse to call off the wedding.
Instead of saying, "I'm excited," say, "I'm pumped."
Pumped? I'm pumped.
Right. I'm pumped.
I'm pumped. I'm pumped.
I'm so pumped.
I'm pumped.
Instead of saying, "Let's meet," say, "Let's catch up."
Now let's catch up.
Let's catch up later.
Let's catch up when you get back.
Let's catch up on old times.
Let's catch up. Take our clothes off, stare at each other.
Instead of saying, "I'm leaving now," say, "I'm heading out."
I'm heading out.
Hey, I'm heading out.
Okay, I'm heading out.
I'm heading out.
Well, I'm heading out to Cece's dance recital.
Instead of saying, "I'm sick," say, "I'm under the weather."
I'm feeling a little under the weather.
Dad. I'm still feeling under the weather, but I'm here.
I'm just feeling a little under the weather.
Julia's feeling a little under the weather.
Little man's under the weather.
Instead of saying, "He's lazy," say, "He's a couch potato."
Promise, I'm not going to become a couch potato spinster woman.
Okay.
I look forward to being a couch potato for a while.
Look, I know I wasn't marrying a couch potato and...
Instead of saying, "I agree," say, "I'm on board."
I'm on board with that, but that's not your fault.
Hey, I'm on board with that.
You already know I'm on board with that.
Instead of saying, "It's simple," say, "It's not rocket science."
It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science.
It's not rocket science.
It's not rocket science.
I'm just saying it's not rocket science.
Instead of saying, "It's very easy," say, "It's a piece of cake."
It's a piece of cake.
It's a piece of cake.
It's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake.
Instead of saying, "It's dangerous," say, "It's a slippery slope."
It's a slippery slope, you know?
It's a slippery slope.
Yes.
It's a slippery slope.
It's a slippery slope. Yeah, that's a slippery slope.
Instead of saying, "It's not possible," say, "It's out of the question."
It's out of the question. Why?
It's all right. It's out of the question.
It's out of the question.